Hi everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. So before I go ahead and start off this review, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It will really mean a lot to me and it will also make me very happy. Please. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a face cleanser from Lucid Skin, and I've been really loving this product. So if you guys would like to know what I think about this gel cleanser, please keep on watching. Before I go ahead and start off this video, I have to say a big thank you to Lucid Skin for sending me a DM on Instagram and asking if they would like to send me some of their products to review. I was really honored and I was really happy, and of course I said yes. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I do have an Insta story icon that's all about skincare and I'm really into it right now too. I've been using a lot of my favorite products lately and I've been finding a huge difference with my skin. So if you guys don't follow me on there, make sure that you do. So they contacted me knowing that I've been using a lot of skincare obviously, and the company is called Lucid Skin. I do have their website opened right here. Alright, it's Lucid Energies and they have a skincare collection which is called Lucid Skin, and they have quite a few things. It's actually handmade. They actually do everything at home on their own, which is really cool, and they're actually vegan and paraben free, which is awesome. So I am on their website right here. I have the Papaya Gel Cleanser. So basically the cleanser, I use it day and night. I use it once a day and then once at night, and sometimes in the middle of the day if I'm doing chores and I'm sweaty and I kind of just need to wash my face. This is definitely the one that I go to right now. It smells really good. It has like a citrus smell to it, which I really like. The papaya, I do tend to smell it. It has a little bit of hint of sweetness to it, but not too overwhelming. But you can definitely smell the citrus a little bit more in this, which I kind of really like. If some products, for me personally, if it's a little bit on the rose scent, I tend to kind of get overwhelmed with that, but if it's more fresh and fruity, I tend to like it more. Even my perfumes, sometimes they are a bit musky, but most of them are kind of fresh and fruity and a little bit sweet. This is kind of what I like. So looking over their website here, I do have it on my phone, but you can go ahead and check them out. I will link their website in the info box down below, also their Instagram as well. You can go ahead and follow them. They don't only do skincare, but they also do home aromas as well, which I really like. Candles and stuff, it's like my thing. I love it. Basically, they have a lot of things. Lately, they came up with their massage candle, which is so cool. You basically burn the candle and you can take the wax from the candle. Is actually a massage oil that you can go ahead and massage your body. How awesome is that? And what I also love about this company is that they also have crystals in their products, especially their candles. I do have one of their candles back there that they sent me. Unfortunately, it came broken, but it didn't really matter to me. I still lit it up. It smells amazing. Even the candle not lit, I can smell my whole room, which is crazy. And it actually came with some crystals and I love it. So I will bring it over and show it to you guys soon, but I just want to go ahead and talk a little bit more about the cleanser and also let you know about the benefits of this cleanser. So how I use it is that I include a little clip of me here using it. So this is my bathroom. The light is really not that great, so I'm really sorry about that. So this is the product, the Lucid Skin. I like to use it with my Clarisonic brush, and so I tend to put 4 to 5 pumps on there, and then I go ahead and I clean my whole face till the Clarisonic stops. It has a timer to it, so once it stops, I know my face is ready to go. I also love the fact that it foams as well, which is amazing, that you know that your face is actually getting cleaned. And then I wash everything out with cold water, and I obviously use a fresh towel for my face. I always have a fresh towel, clean fresh towel to my face that I can just dab the water or clean up the water from my face. This is how I use it. I also forgot to mention that Lucid Energy is actually from Australia, which is a place that I always wanted to visit. The fact that it's from Australia, it just blows my mind. It just also blows my mind on how they were able to find me on Instagram. I'm just very happy and very honored. So again, thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me some of your babies. That's what I call them, like your products are your babies. Thank you so much for contacting me and sending me some of the things. So So let's go back to the cleanser and talk a little bit more about it. What's the benefits of it? Actually a treatment that you can also use for your skin. So it does have papaya. It says here on their website, have oily skin and need an amazing natural plant-based cleanser to help your skin feed your breakouts and unwanted blemishes, which is amazing. It's what I have. I've been breaking out a lot lately, and I feel something like this will definitely work because I know papaya, anything that's citrusy, it really helps to dry out the acne or the pimples or the blemishes and kind of slowly make them disappear, which is something I'm always looking for. So the fact that they kind of did their studies about my skin and then sent me this one, it really means a lot to me. So this is 100% vegan, and it's also 100% Aussie made. Aussie, A-U-S-S-I-E, I think that's how you spell it. Aussie made, I think it's Australian made or homemade, I'm not sure. So it does give you an instruction on how to use it. Basically wipe off excess makeup, leaving your skin less oily. So I also use it when I remove the makeup. It's actually a great product to just remove the excess or the extra makeup that you have around the face that you're not able to see. Trust me, with this, everything will be taken off. Won't dry your skin out. So this will definitely won't dry your skin out if you have dry skin. I do tend to have a little bit more dry skin. Summertime, I'm mainly more mixed into oily and dry, but I definitely don't feel any dryness after I use this. That's why I really like it. It's made with purifying water, which is amazing. Organic ingredients, made with active natural plant-based ingredients to help tackle those breakout areas, which is amazing. Again, it's my skin. And then will leave your skin fresh, rejuvenated, glowing without drying it out. Active ingredient, papaya and coconut. That's why it's a bit more sweet. It has a little bit of coconut in it, which I love. I use coconut oil often on my skin as well because it really helps moisturize my skin and just leaving it more glowy and natural. So I love that. You can also, when you purchase this, you can also get a free rose quartz to enhance that self-love. I love that. So they do send you some crystals as well. If you purchase this, you do have a crystal that comes with it, which is awesome. I love crystals. I love sage. I'm not really into it. I don't really know much about the terms of crystals. I'm slowly learning the terms of crystals and what they do from my sister-in-law because she's very into it. But I do have a sage in my room. I do have crystals now from the candle. So I definitely feel more positive and obviously self-love all the time. So I highly recommend this company because who doesn't want to feel self-love? Who doesn't want to love themselves? You have to love yourself. It's very important. There's also health benefits. Papaya is excellent for your skin the skin absorbs everything you put on it, which is good. The health benefit, plant-based skincare are natural ingredients such as exfoliant and vitamin. Not only does natural skincare healthy, wonderful ingredients, but will have long-term health outcome for your overall health and body. Preach to that. This will definitely help with decreasing inflammation, is a natural exfoliant that removes dead skin and reduces acne and breakouts, which is amazing. Basically everything that I always look in a product, especially cleansers. I tend to use few cleansers in my skincare routine, and this has definitely been one of it. I love this product so much. I like to give myself 2 weeks, trying it out and see how my skin reacts to it, and I can tell you this has been really helping me a lot with my breakouts. I do break out from time to time. I'm not embarrassed to say that. You know, it's a human nature thing that we all have, that we tend to break out, and I tend to break out a lot on my forehead and also on my cheeks. So this has definitely been helping a lot with that. It helps just drying them out and slowly making them disappear. So it's definitely one of my favorite cleansers that I've been using at the moment. Anything else that I can tell you guys about it, other than it's vegan and it's not tested on animals, give it to me. I'm always trying my best to help the animals as much as possible. So the fact is also this is from Australia just blows my mind. And hopefully one day I will travel to Australia and hopefully I'll get the chance to meet you guys one day. And also just talking to Lucid Energies on Instagram, it just gives me the energy to, like, I don't know, I feel so positive. I don't know why. And it's just like a simple communication of thank you so much. And you know, I just feel they're super friendly, and I love them. So they have few things on their website and they're not that expensive. This cleanser goes for $45. They also have another cleanser, and it is the Lucid Rose Hip Magic Cleanser, which is also cool. There's another kind. They also have a lavender hand cream. They have also the self-love box if you want the 2 cleansers. It also comes with the face roller, crystals, and candle. That is a full box, comes for $85, and you also have the candles as well. I will bring the candle through. It is kind of broken. It's not their fault. It's just how it came in the shipping. Let me go ahead and show you guys quick the packaging. So this is how it looks like. It just comes in a white bottle and their logo is on it. It's also a pump, so it's easy to work with, which I like. So you have all the ingredients and how to use it as well. And then back here you have all the little icons, which I really like. So you have Australian made, 100% vegan, cruelty free, pre-recycle, and it's good to up to 6 months. So that is what it is for the cleanser. Let me go ahead and bring out the candle and talk a little bit about the candle. So this is the candle. As I mentioned, it did come broken, unfortunately. So it has a super cute package, and it actually has a glass dome. If you look on their website, you can see it. You can also see it on their Instagram page, but it comes with like a glass dome that kind of looks like this. I have one sitting here randomly. So this actually comes with the candle, and just holding it, it smells so good. This is their twin flame candle, and I absolutely love it. Now I did light it up yesterday and it ended up leaking everywhere on there, but I ended up cleaning it up. The wax, surprisingly, is super easy to clean. I normally hate candle waxes. I know I just broke it a little bit more, sorry. But I normally hate candle waxes because it gets everywhere. But this one, I don't know what's about it, but it is so, like, it feels like creamy. Just, you know, I can just easily rub it like that, and it's so moisturizing, and it smells amazing. Now, if I tilt it over, I don't know if you guys could see the crystals in here, but you can see some crystals going on. There's some crystals inside the wax as well, because, you know, they kind of melted through, but you do have the pink, the big pink crystal going on right here, and this crystal is for self-love, and I love that. So they were super nice enough to send me a new one that's actually on the way. So thank you so much again for giving me one of your home aromas. That is such an amazing creation, and it's so unique. I haven't seen that anywhere, to be honest. They were so sweet enough to also provide me with a coupon code or a discount code for you guys. So if you go ahead and check out their website and you feel like you want to order something, use code LUCIDBABE to get 20% off your purchase. Thank you so much for doing that for my subscribers. You know, when a company actually gives me a coupon code for you guys, it makes me really happy, and I really do appreciate the company a lot for doing that little favor for me and also for you guys. So thank you so much again, Lucid Energies. I think I've said thank you a lot, but honestly, thank you a million again. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little review, and I also really hope that you do get the chance to try out some of their products. I think they are amazing. They have a lot of things on their website. It's a cute little website, really easy to go over their products and what they sell and read a little bit more about the company as well. So I'll leave all of that information in the info box down below, and also including the discount coupon code as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!